All right, you guys, we're gonna get started with a 20-minute full body bar class. Bring your feet right underneath your hips. Take a big inhale. Exhale, let it go. Again, inhale. Exhale, let it go. One more time, inhale, bring it up. Hands come to your heart. Walk those feet slightly wider than your hips. Take a bend and press. Go to bend and press. It's down and up. Just starting to warm up our bodies here. Elevating that heart rate. We're gonna be using our mats and a light set of weights for today's workout. 2 more times. Good, let's hold it low. Take a little pulse down. It's down, down. Engage your abs, proud chest. Try to avoid any arch in that lower back. Sink low and low. We're here for 4, for 3, for 2. Feet come in and out. Right foot in, out, out, in, out, out. Squeeze. Try to stay low in the legs. 4 more. 3. Good, you got 2. Engage the core. In 1. Take it down, take it up, go down. Press up. Sink and squeeze. Inhale, exhale. So strong, so fierce. You have 4, 3, 2, holding it low. Left foot leads this time. Bring it in, left foot. It's in, it's out. Sink, press, in, out. You have 4, 3, good, 2. Last one. Hold it out, take it down, take it up, go down, press. So good, you guys getting warm? Keep your breath. Just 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, bring it up to the top, take it right, left. Reaching side to side through those arms. Now, as you're standing here, engage through your obliques, zip up your core. Feel how it feels a little bit different when you find that engagement. Take it up a little higher. Reach, reach, pull, pull. Inhale, exhale, you got it. 8, 6, you've got 4, 3, 2, 1. Sink down, reach forward, sink down, reach forward. Scooping those arms back, activate your triceps, reach through the fingertips, and then squeeze through your chest. Down, up, yes. Inhale, exhale, hold it low, little pulse, down, down. Reach the arms back, pull them a little tighter, closer to the midline. You have 4, 3, 2, and 1. Grab your weights. I'm using 5-pound weights today. Heading into an upper body burn, feet under our hips, little bend in your knees, drop the weights, palms face front. Just curl and curl. So I want you to find that full extension at the bottom of your bicep. Curl, full reach. Curl, reach. Engage through your abs. Shoulders are right over those hips. Good, 2 more, full range. And I want you to stop at that 90-degree, point palms up, little pulse, up, pulse, pulse, you got it. Keep those shoulders away from your ears. Feel the activation. You've got it. We're here for 4, 3. You're gonna take your right arm, serve it out, pull it back in. Left arm goes this time. Serve it out, pull it in and squeeze. Right arm, reach. Now option to speed that up a little faster. Right arm, reach and pull. Left arm, reach and pull. That's it, go reach. Squeeze, reach, squeeze. Keeping those elbows locked into your side. Gimme 8, 6. So good, so strong. You've got it. We're here for 4. I'm with you. 3, you got it. Keep those knees softly bent. Good, now bring the elbows, fly it open. Squeeze, flip the palms up. Squeeze, slide open. Feeling those lats, the tops of the shoulders work as well. Lift and squeeze. Inhale. 4, 3. You got it, y'all. Here for 2. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Last one. Elbows are down. Flip the palms up. Slide the arms. Take it right for 2. Pull it in for 2. Left arm. Up for 2. Pull in for 2. Nice and slow to start. Slightly in front of your body with those arms. Push. Speed it up. If you got it. Take it right. Pull. Take it left. Pull. Push. Pull. Yes. Exhale and inhale. If this feels good, we're gonna take both arms together, slow it down. 2 counts right here. Push up. 2. Pull down. 2. Push up. For 2. Pull down. Give me 2 more all the way up. We're gonna hold the next one up at the top, you guys. Final push for that upper body focus. Press your weights together. Drop the weights down and press back up. Triceps sink for 2. Squeeze to lift for 2. Down and up. Take it down. Big press. So strong. Give me 2 more, you guys. Try to keep those elbows squeezing in towards your head. Last one. Close the rib cage. Core tight. Take a breath carefully. Drop your arms down to your sides. We're gonna head down to our mats, you guys, and head into a little bit of glute work. Grab one of your weights and come onto all fours. That weight's gonna place behind our right knee. Hands under your shoulders. Shoulders are down our back. Engage through your core. Back is flat. Flex that right heel into your glute. Start to press that heel. Take it up. Take it up. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. So as we lift the leg, those hips are staying square to the ground. Press and press. Keep it going. Up. Exhale. Core stays tight. Squeeze in and release. 4 more here. You got it. Here's 3. Keep breathing. 2. So strong. Hold it at the top. Little pulses. Take it up. Up. Press and press. You got it, y'all. Stomping that heel to the sky. Here for 2 and 1. Good. Drop the knee down. Come down to your left forearm. Press that right palm into the ground. We're gonna slide open this time. Close. Open and close. Lift and lower. Working that outer glute here. We have 8. 7. Squeeze. Keep breathing. You've got 4, 3, 2, on 1. Hold it at the top. Just lift. Lift, little pause. If that weight is too much for you, you can always set it down and work without it today. Keep pushing. You have 8, 6, so strong. Here's 4, 3, 2, drop that knee, release, and grab your weight. We're gonna flip onto our backs, feet slightly wider than your hips. Rest the head down, place the weight to your hips, start to press our hips up, little tap. Lift, little tap, just giving our wrists a little breather here before we switch sides. Still working our glutes. Lift. Good, give me 4. I'm with you, y'all. 3, so strong. Here for 2. We're gonna hold the hips up at the top, freeze here, inner thighs squeeze, in and out, squeeze, in and out, in, little press, in, little press. We're here 4, so strong. You got 3, keep it up, 2, hold those knees wide, little lifts at the top, just pulse, pulse, press, press, yes, keep your breath. Keep those heels digging down. We're here, just 8. So strong, yes, 6. Finish it, you have 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your hips down. Roll yourself on up, you guys. Heading into that left side. Meet me back down on all fours. This time the weight is gonna come behind our left knee. Flex that heel, place the hands under your shoulder blades. Soften in the elbows, shoulders down, core is tight. Heel comes into the seat, start to press that left heel up. Take it down, little press. Hips stay square, y'all. Press, and press. Try to hold tight on that weight. Keep it going. We got 8. We're here for 4. Don't give up. 3. We've got 2. Hold this next one at the top. Little pulses. Up, up. Stomp that heel to the sky. Think tuck through the hips. Core is engaged. We have 8. We have 6. Woo! 4, 3, 2. On 1, drop the knee. Place that right forearm down. Palm to the ground. Open that knee. Take it down. Little lift. Take it down. You got lift. Use your breath. This one is killer. Keep pushing. We've got 8. Just 4. Just 3. That pulse is coming up in 2. 1. Hold it at the top. Little lifts. Take it up. Up. Keep breathing here. Just 8. 6. You got it, y'all. 4, 3, 2. On 1, drop your knee. Grab back onto that weight. Back on our backs. Feet slightly wider than your hips. Place that weight on your hips. Start to lift those hips. Little press, little tap. Press and tap. Squeeze. Lift. And lift. Those glutes should be burning. Mine for sure are. Lift and lower. 2 more. Up. Hold the next one high. Inner thigh squeeze in. We squeeze in, out, in, and out. You got it. Squeeze. Just 4 more. 3. We did it. 2. On 1. Hold it here. Just pulse, pulse. Lift and lift. Just 4, 3, 2, and 1. You can drop your hips down, set the weight to the ground, take your right foot, figure 4 stretch, pull those knees into your chest and open those hips. Nice release after all that booty work. That was like 6 minutes just for the booty. Switch it out, left foot crosses, pull the knees in, take a little stretch. We're gonna head into some isolated core work, you guys. So grab those weights. You can always work without your weights for this section. Your legs are gonna come into a tabletop. Head is gonna stay flat to start. Reach the arms up and over the shoulders with the weights. Start by tapping the heels. Right foot down for 2. Lift up for 2. Switch sides. Left heel down. Lift up. So this is working our low abs, our deep core muscles. So while it might not feel like you're doing much to start, I really want you to focus in on your breath. Inhale as you tap the heel. Exhale as you lift the leg. Think of knitting up the core as that knee comes back to 90 degrees. Down, tap, lift, squeeze. Now if this is feeling good, you can add a reach. Opposite arm is leg. So right foot, left arm into the top for 2. Lift. Bring it center. Big reach. Keep it going. 8. Squeeze. Last one here. We're gonna hold this one at the top. Little curl. Up an inch, down an inch. Up an inch, down an inch. Now you can press your weights together here. Little lift, little drop. Lift, drop. Good, hold those shoulders high, just pulse, up and up, that's it, lift, lift. Focusing now on those upper abdominals. If the legs lifted doesn't feel good, you can plant them right on the ground and find that curl. Lift, lift, whatever you need to do, just listen to your body, curl. If those legs are up in that tabletop, let's extend them straight, lift and lift, good. Drop your elbows, set the weights to the ground, palms are flat. We send those legs down for 2, up for 2, down for 2. You can always put the head down. Start to feel those low abs. Get nice and warm. Use your breath, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. We're here for 4. Last 2. Last one, we're gonna hold the legs at the top, ditch the weights, little reach right to left. You reach, right, left, reach, and reach. All right, you guys, try to get a little bit higher. Reaching for those toes. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, on 1. Bring the knees in, rock and roll yourself up. Flip on over, find a high plank with me. Hands under your shoulders, shoulders down, touch the hips. Just tap your toes, right and left. Tap, right and left. Final few minutes of class. Keep breathing. We got 4, 3, 2, hold it, center, freeze, hold. Isometric hold. Breathe in. Be proud of yourself already, you guys. Lift your hips up, downward facing dog. Start to walk your feet and hands to meet one another. Hang heavy here, take a bend through the knees. And then roll up through the spine, one vertebrae at a time. Bring those feet wide. We're gonna sink down, up, down, and up. For 2, good, and 1. Take a pulse at the center, just pulse, pulse. Rotate through those hips. Inner and outer thighs here. Take those arms out to the side, palms face down. Just feel the lightness of your arms without any weights at all. Breathe, you've got it, y'all. 4, 3, we're gonna take a little rotation. We're gonna pulse in for 2, then back to the center. Take it to the left side. Pulse in for 2. Bring it center. That's it. Squeeze in, out, out, in, out, and out. You're here. 4, 3. You have 2. Good, last one. Hold it right here. Full range. Down, up. Yes, stretching at the top. Feel the length from head to toe. You got 4, 3, 2, on 1. Good, drop your hands to your inner thighs. Drop your chest forward. Dipping that right shoulder forward. Good, switch it out. Stay low, find a runner's lunge on that right side. Take an easy twist. Both hands down, flip to the front. Walk those hands over, left side. Runner's lunge on the left, easy twist. Final push, you guys. Take both hands to the ground, step that left foot back. Meet me in your high plank to finish. Just isometric hold right here. 8, 6, you made it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release those knees down and give yourself a big round of applause, you guys. I hope you felt that full body burn. If you liked today's video, let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you back next time.